Most people think they know what they want until they get it, get a short dopamine hit, and then again, nothing. And if you know this feeling, this video is for you, because maybe you do not know what you want, what you actually want. So without philosophizing about it or anything else, let's go right into it. And for this, just close your eyes for a few moments. Just close your eyes, feel into your body, and listen. Already years ago, I realized that the question, what do I actually want, goes beyond goals or successes. It's not about your bucket list. It's about peeling away everything you've been told you should want, until what's left is actually yours. Okay, now open your eyes again and let's have a look together at what is actually yours and what is borrowed, to have more clarity and to see what it actually is that you want. And it only takes about 3 to 4 minutes. So let's go. The first thing that you need to do is to distinguish between conditioning and truth. And from childhood, we've been told what we should want: fame, money, success, love, how we should behave, and so on. But if you're a baby, you're just like and just walking around, you don't want much besides the body needs food or whatsoever. And Osho pointed this already out, and he said, you just need to see if a desire is planted in you, so if it's coming from outside, which is conditioning, or if it really comes naturally from inside. And the only thing that you need to do is to ask yourself this question: who told me that this actually matters? And before you start chasing any dream, you should ask this question. And if the answer is someone else, so outside of you, it's time to question it. The second thing, an exercise that I've got from my teacher when I felt unclear. So let's do it together. It just takes not even a minute. Close your eyes again, feel into the body, let the attention be there. And ask yourself, or have someone else that asks you the following questions. First one, what do you sense? For me, it's the heartbeat, my feet on the ground. The second question, what do you think? Right now, I think it's very beautiful here. Next question, what do you feel? I feel a little sadness. The next question, what do you want? I want to record this video and upload it to YouTube. And the last question, what do you avoid? I avoid taking the time for it. And then you just repeat all the questions again and go through it. You do it one time, a second time, maybe a third time, and then you just see how your body, how the mind gets more relaxed. You become aware of what emotions are inside of you, what thoughts, what you try to avoid, what you want. And you get more clarity. Okay, now open your eyes for the last thing. And this is, be willing that those answers, those desires that you come up with can change. And when this happens, don't be frustrated. Be happy about it, that you figured out that it's not something that you want and that you don't invest all this time into getting it, and then after years figuring out, oh, actually it doesn't make me happy, and then being depressed or whatsoever. So it's not so much about the answer. It's about trying to stay conscious, keep on listening, keep on questioning. And maybe there's something that you've wanted 5 years ago, now you don't want it anymore. It's constantly changing, and that's okay. But really see what it is that you actually want, and always come back to this question. So if you want to do a little practice for the next week, maybe every second day take 10 minutes time when you're calm, when you're just by yourself, and ask yourself, what do I want? What do I actually want? And then just see what comes up. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to the channel, you can leave a like here and all those things. I'm going to have a little walk now. Yeah, it was wonderful being here with you. Have a lovely day. Much love.